pancake challenge.
That we made up. Right, you've got
Three
pancakes.
I'm so gonna do this.
Right, let's do one pancake at a Oh my god. Right. Yeah, obviously Adrian was that.
Yeah.
He's like he's very hungry.
By the way, don't eat this if you're happy. If you're
Oh my, come on. Take me both.
Then two. And I got a small one this round.
Oh, come on. I got like the longest one.
Alright, two.
I put too much in my mouth. Come on.
I'm only sick.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't
Are you ready?
time.
To get the...
The
Yeah.
1 minute. We're just gonna go and get
It's so quick.
it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna beat her again. I'm gonna try and do it again.
Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, there's a bug on my marshmallow. Oh
Oh, such a disadvantage. 3, 2, 1.
my... where's my spoon? Oh,
It's over there.
yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I even forgot to show yours.
Oh no. Oh,
No, we got to say Chubby Bunny each time. So we do that.
Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. You got to keep it in your mouth.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. I'm chewing them.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Here's how much I've got left.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god, I nearly stripped out the bowl.
Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. And also this.
Did I just dab correctly? I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Like this. Alright. So guys, I think that's gonna be the end of our episode of this episode challenge.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I
God. Okay, I beat you in the dessert, but you beat me in the pancakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
6 times. Yeah, we did.
Still
We
chewing.
already finished. Seriously? You're still chewing? I
Yeah.
finished my thing like ages ago. I ate
My bowl was
marshmallows, but-
cleared. Kind of. Yeah, I guess. Let's show our bowls to the people and put in the comments down below who
Who
you
wins?
think won the desserts.
It's
I
either-
think it's me, but I don't know.
I'm not really sure either, but
Anyways.
yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this doesn't put you off your appetite, by the way. Since I did eat pretty quickly.
I feel like I'm gonna burp.
Okay,
I'm
I
not.
almost burped already.
Okay, thanks guys for watching, and bye.
Bye.